In this video, we will learn how to develop commands in our shell. In addition to this course, we have created Quali's shell framework, which will greatly simplify your shell development process. Check it out in the Cloud Shell Developer Guide. Before we start, let's clarify the terminology. In the shell's driver, commands are called functions. In Cloud Shell Portal and the API, we refer to them as commands. The shell's standard defines a set of default functions, which are included in the shell's driver. You will need to develop these functions if you are creating a new shell, while in an extended shell, some of these functions may already be configured. When configuring functions, there are two main files we need to know about. Both are in the shell source folder. The driver.py file defines the functions that will be used by the shell, while the driver metadata XML file defines their display in Cloud Shell and whether they are hidden or visible. This concludes our video. We hope you enjoyed it.